All right, guys. So today we're going to look at the iDrive 8. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to look at, how to reset your iDrive, if it becomes unresponsive, if it's slow, if the radio isn't playing. So what we'll do is we will go into settings. Should go into system settings, update apps and services. Then we'll press search for updates. And it's complete. We're good. Just check the time and the date, make sure everything lines up, and then you'll press and hold your volume button here. So you just press down on it. It's going to be weird because it will roll back and forth. And what that'll do is you'll hold it for 60 to 90 seconds. Everything will shut off, and then it'll restart for you. And it'll start to reboot, and you can lift off the button. You're good there. And what this will do is this will restore your, functionality for your phone, restore your radio, allow this to be a lot more responsive and everything else. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions on anything. Thanks again.